Okay, we're going to create a vector style drawing with an app, with a Google Draw actually. So you're going to go to your Google Drive and you're going to click New and you're going to click More and then you're going to click on Google Drawings. Vector-based drawing is really cool because it allows you to create a drawing that can be scaled up or down, made bigger or larger without ever losing quality. So it's a really useful tool for graphic artists on the computer. It has a kind of a different look to it than pixel-based drawing, so we're going to learn about that. So I'm going to call this my vector animal drawing. And then the first thing I'm going to do is insert the picture of my animal mashup that I created from Pixlr. So I'm going to upload it from my computer. Here is my picture. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab on the tools here where it says line, I'm going to click curved. And the way this works is I'm going to click and then I'm going to click again and it's going to make a connecting line in between. The idea is I want to go all the way around part of my animal. Notice it's curving out a little bit there and not quite following the shape of the animal. That's okay. We can adjust that. The nice thing about vector drawing is that you can actually adjust it a lot after you've drawn, so you don't have to get it perfectly the first time out. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep tracing this. What my goal is to get back to where I started. And the reason I want to do that is because that makes it a closed shape that I can then edit. You can also double click if you're trying to figure out where to close it. All right, so I went all the way around, and now what I have is a you might have like a solid fill like that to help you with this. Like to see the thing that you were tracing, you can just turn the fill off by clicking on the paint bucket and clicking transparent. And then you can also change the outline color to make it easier to see. I'm going to make mine red just so I can see it easier. That way I can adjust it.